Hey YouTube, welcome back. Guess what? Today I have another exciting unboxing for you guys to check this out. This is the most popular fidget spinner. Well, this one is not fidget spinner. After fidget spinners, it's kind of getting old. So this is the new and latest cube. So let's go ahead and then start this unboxing, guys. So before I do this, make sure you guys subscribe. And then I will be doing a giveaway for the next upcoming video. So make sure you guys watch out for it and turn on your notification. Please also drop a comment on below and share this. So I purchased a pack of 10. What I learned from my previous experience that you don't want to pay retail. I learned that from Rich Dad, Poor Dad. If you guys don't know about that, you guys should go ahead and then read about it. So it's kind of crushed, but anyway, let's go ahead and get this unboxed. This is supposed to come with different colors. So I believe this one looks like it's black and red. And then they come with the tiny instruction manual. So you could click, breathe, roll, spin, flip, glide. Okay, so I'm gonna unbox this guy. So let's see. So it's kind of scratched. So what's this spin? It's like a switch. So this is for roll, and then this is button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different functions. That's supposed to be 6. Breathe. So there goes one black color. Let's go and see what other colors are available. It's supposed to be different colors, so I'll get that out of the way. Let's see, you get 360 box view. So this is click, spin, flip, glide, roll, breathe. I don't know. So this one is the same color, so I'm not going to open it. Move on to the next one. This one is black and green. How are you going to roll? So I got 2 black, red. believe this one looks yeah, this one's a green color too. I got two. Hopefully I got two of each color. So let's go ahead and get this one open. What? Black and red again. Stack them up. Black and red. Black and red. Oh my god, all these are black and red. Only two black and green. I gotta check on my purchase because I thought two of each color. So anyway, I got 8 black and red, and 2 in the front. Those are black and green. So anyway, this is my unboxing for this fidget cube. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment, and share it. Please turn on your notifications so on the upcoming video, whenever I upload about the giveaway fidget spinner, you guys could have a chance to enter the giveaway. Alright? So thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace out.